He's hungry as hell.
Oh yeah.
Come. He might do the finger chasing thing. No, he won't do it.
Becomes so much bigger. So cute. I'm doing the video, by the way.
Come on, Victor.
So much.
Come on. Come on, Edward. Come on. Come on. Okay, I'll throw him up in the air. Come here.
Kevin.
Oh, I think Lindsay and Trail's coming back. I hear someone in front. Okay, you gotta stand equally. Ready? 1, 2.
Oh, you missed it. Do it again. Okay, once more. Oh, yes. So cute.
See, I can throw him up as high as I want, because I can trust myself to catch him when he comes down. Because I don't need... my reflexes are fucking awesome.
Okay, this is the video I got, Sam.